What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, now I have another sad story to talk about, people. And it is where a man who recently returned to Jamaica from the farm work program over in Canada, people, was cut down in CLAREND0N, people. And this man, you know, wasn't just say a normal man who just go up on him farmer, come back to Jamaica and just, you know what I mean, drink and floss. This man who was doing this farm work program, people, but he was also called or really considered a real family man who really look out and take care of his kids them. Well, viewers and subscribers, as enough people that say, you may good to me, you may good to he, but deep inside, for somebody else, you're not good to them. You get me? And boy, it just sad. So let me just read this article here now. People, then the attacking boss will dig down into this thing. Recently, returned farm work worker shot dead in CLAREND0N. A man who recently returned to the island from the overseas farm work program was shot dead by gunmen in the Sansan Main Road in Crofts Hill, CLAREND0N on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Ryan Jess of Crawl River, CLAREND0N. Police reports are that at about 5:20 p.m., Jess was standing along the roadway near a shop when he was pounced upon by armed men traveling in a motor car. The men opened fire, hitting Jess before escaping from the scene. The police were alerted and Jess was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been identified for the killing. The Crofts Hill police are investigating the killing. So, viewers and subscribers, you see that? He was standing near a shop on the roadway when a car just pulled up and boom, that's it. Well, in this process, people, you have to look on different angles, right? And you have to look on the angles that he was set up and a hit was called on him. And you have to look on the angles of saying, right? He was there waiting on somebody, and instead of the person come, the person sent somebody and get rid of him. You know, there's different side to different story when I see things like this. So for the investigations of the police to cover this thing, people, number one, they have to dig deep in his phone now and look out for the last call them when make her, you know what I mean, if he was waiting on anybody and all of them things there. But all I can say, viewers and subscribers, this is Jamaica right now. And this is the rate of how things is running in Jamaica. And that's why I always tell people, you know, look here, if you can know, do your best, live your best life, and avoid certain things, just do the right and avoid certain things. Because once you come to boom people and mixing at certain things, it could have been 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and them want to get you out of the picture, people, they're going to get you out. And it just sad. If you know, say, a man who have him kids, them people, not just one, not just 2 kids, you understand, was taken out, leaving him kids, them fatherless right now. And what they are saying, people, he is the main backbone for his kids and for his family. He's a man who even take care of his family, sisters, brother, and everybody. Because I have seen even where somebody post and said, you were a family man. We really don't know how to get past this. Heartbroken. The kids are asking questions. It's really hard, bro. I'm going to always be there for them like always, but I'm going to go harder for them now. You understand? And that is like from a sister who leave a name which me not to call out. I'm here for you. Love you forever. And she tap him name in it and thing. So, viewers and subscribers, boy, the rate of Jamaica with murders and everything, you know, it's not a good look. Because when me look back and me see how the man who just returned the other day from Canada, people, you get me? And this man was a returning resident, so them say, come for rape him, yam and them thing there, and he was cut down right in his house and them thing there, which everybody see the vlog that I done. And basically it you know what I mean? You can say it's a setup going there, so. And we see this man and our people, a hit was just planned on him head. You know, they are the roadside, I wait, and them thing they stand up and then they just see car pull up and car man from car just come bullet and fire several shots hitting him in his upper body and gone with car. No stop, they not take no phone, them not take no wallet, you know what I mean? So no robbery thing go on. But there is something behind this thing. People, you get me? And as me tell you this, I'm say it now, I'm gonna say it again. You may do something or you may involve in something. We're not going to say involve in a bad thing, you're involved in a robbery, you're involved in a crime, you're involved in a this. But you may involve in something. It don't fall back on you today. It don't fall back on you tomorrow. But I'm telling you, the rate of how things is running in Jamaica, people, nobody now let go nothing. Nobody now drop nothing. You get me? I say, even if the man can't catch you and the man knows, you know what, this is going to go on. He make sure I pass on this information to somebody else who in the line. And the person in the line I pass on information. And so it goes so from, it goes so people, everybody have it and I come up with it, you know. You see? Because sometimes people do involve in things, viewers and subscribers. As my seminar plan, nothing upon this man, because all I'm saying is my condolences to the family and friends of him. But what I'm saying is, people do involve in things sometimes, see? And then comes about make a move and go foreign. We're not going to say you'll be a farmer, but go foreign and thing. They might be over foreign for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Then them get a call, say, you know, say, the boy they get slapped out though, them dash him away and something. That are the boy we maybe in a yard in some involvement with. And when them comes to boom, them say, so things good there now, see me? And then comes to boom, take a plane, because them plan them trip already, and come a yard and thing. Then at the place are cool out, chilling with family, living life, go play domino up on corner. But deep inside them never know, so look, you know, the man, you know, who drop out, you know, already put things in place already, you know, about you, you know, tell that the person, that the information about you, and I make you know certain things, and I make you know, so listen, you know, if anything shall happen, you know, once you see them money in there, you know what I mean, them forget can up, you know, I slap them, forget slap away, you know, them forget dash away, you know, and you may come in at the place now, as me I tell you, relaxing and everything, and you never know, somebody already, while you did enjoy yourself, you know, a man did plan your death already, you know, and them a plan how them a go deal it, you know, you get me I say, and I just one phone call, as a busy say, one phone call it take for get, you understand, and I just secure, just pull up, boom, get it out of the picture, you get me? So viewers and subscribers, listen to me, I say, man. The best thing you can do right now in your life, stay away from problem, stay away from trouble, you understand? Stay away from anything that way that consider violence can fall upon it behind, because you may never know. You may never know, and you don't know what that the person I think, you don't know what this a person I think. So you have to protect your 3 points in all measures you can. All measures. We love our country, you know. We love it so bad. Because, yo, Jamaica is, yo, me not lie, people. For me, it's the nicest place in the world. You get me? When it come on to relaxation and enjoyment, you know what I mean? Put the crime and violence aside, you know? It's really nice. But people, if you know you do involve in things in Jamaica, and you know you're in a certain things, man, and you get the chance to go over, so, when you know something like that cut short and you have your family, a yard, but why? Prepare for anything. You get me, I say? Prepare for anything, because that's the rate how it run right now. Prepare for anything. Yeah, prepare for anything. You will may be a change man or whatever, but prepare for anything. You get me? So it's sad, people. Real family father. That's what them say, people. Real family man. Just gone like that. Peace, love, and respect. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit up that notification bell. So as Attacking Boss drop a video, you will get them. And I just want a special big up to a brother over in England who goes by the name of Dennis and his brother who named Calvin, people. Because these men, me I tell you, are really great man. Because these man comes to boom with the vlog that I've done about the lady over in Portland and seeking assistance people after her house fell down. And these man has contributed a lot people towards this lady, and they are honestly a blessings, man. I just more blessings to them, and I just some love, you know. When we put things out there to help the needy, and people do see it and people do feel it in them heart and comes to boom and reach out people. As I tell you, when we have the things do it from our heart, man. So enough blessings again to Brother Dennis and Brother Calvin over in England. Big up on yourself, brother. Attack, attack. Peace out.